Sorry. It's an Irish jig. I love dancing, and that was a beautiful Irish jig. So, what about you and I invent our own Irish jig? That could be fun.
Yeah.
So, your kids are in a circle, and one by one they'll add one movement. So, the first movement will be bend your knee. Bend your knee. Okay, that's number one. What is movement number two?
Clap.
Clap. Okay, so it's gonna be bend your knee. I want to hear it.
Bend your knee.
Clap.
Clap.
Okay. Rachel, and we ask, what is movement number three?
What is movement number three?
Number 3 is turn around.
Turn around. Okay, so let's remember we have bend your knee, clap, turn around. Cool. Okay. Woo, dizzy. What is movement number four?
Movement number 4 is jump.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Bend your knee, clap, turn around, jump. Cool. Okay. Hey, ask me, what is movement number 5?
What is movement number 5?
Movement number 5 is point up your toes. Point your toes. Okay, so you can't see it, but like this. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your knee, clap, turn around, jump, point your toes up. Okay, and we can continue like this and create a whole a beautiful jig. Honestly, I think that was beautiful. So I hope you're really proud of us. That was amazing. Have fun with this game. Bye, everyone.
Bye.